Session 8 of Unit 1 of Taxation of 5th Sem BBA of Mangalore University. In Session 8, we shall study set off and carry forward of losses, meaning and rules, and provisions relating to set off of losses. The learning objectives are to know the concept of set off and carry forward of losses and understand the provisions relating to set off of losses. The outcomes of this session are to understand how to set off and carry forward losses, what provisions are available for set off of losses. Now, what is set off of losses? Setting off of losses against the income of the same year. If there is loss from any of the head of income, we can adjust it within the head of the, that is, set off of losses within the same head of income. This is under section 70. And set off of losses against income under other heads. So heads of income, when we say, we have income from salary, house property, profits and gains from business and profession, capital gains, and income from other sources. So there are 5 heads of income. Let us see the provisions regarding set off of losses. Now this is set off of losses within the same head of income. Loss from one source of income can be set off against income from other source of income under the same head. For example, if there is loss from one house, you can set it against income from another house. So here it is the same head, but the source is different, first house and second house. Loss from one business can be set off against income from another business. Loss from business can be set off against loss from speculation business also. So the source is different, but it is under the same head. Set off of losses against income under other heads. So if an SSE has loss from one head and there is no income under that head, then that loss can be set off against the profits under other head or heads of income. So business income from house property or income from business and profession can be set off against other income or capital gains. So what are the provisions related to this? Let us see. See, there are certain exceptions. Loss under the head profits and gains of business or profession cannot be set off against income under the head salaries. So the profits and gains from business and profession can be set off under any other heads of income but not under salaries. Loss from speculation business can be set off only against speculation business and not from any other income. Speculative transaction is a transaction of purchase or sale of a commodity, including stocks and shares settled otherwise than by actual delivery or transfer of the commodity or scrip. Loss from specified business. Specified business under section 35 AD. As per the Act, it extends to investment-linked incentives to taxpayers with respect to the capital expenditure incurred for setting up and operation of specified businesses. Example, cold chain facility, warehouse for storage of agricultural produce, which are specified by the government from time to time. So, business which comes under specified category, this loss cannot be set off against any other income. Loss under the head capital gains. So here we have long-term capital gains and short-term capital gains. Loss from the activity of owning and maintaining race horses. Loss from exempted income. Loss from lottery. These are casual incomes: lottery, crossword puzzle, gambling, card games, or betting. These cannot be set off against any other income. Provisions of set off of losses related to speculation loss. Losses can be set off only against profits and gains of another speculation business. Losses from house property, losses from non-speculation business or profession, and losses under the head income from other sources can be set off against profits of a speculation business. Loss from specified business. Losses can be set off only against profits and gains of another specified business. Regarding owning and maintaining race horses, losses can be set off only against income from owning and maintaining of race horses. Loss from business or profession. Losses can be set off against any other income falling under the same head as well as any other heads of income except salaries. Loss from discontinued business can be set off from the income of another business or profession. Now regarding capital losses, short-term capital loss can be set off against short-term as well as long-term capital gains, but long-term capital losses cannot be set off against short-term. It can be set off against long-term capital gains only. Losses from lottery, crossword puzzle, gambling. These losses cannot be set off against any income, not even from the income of lottery or crossword puzzle or gambling. So let us see the recap of this session. Set off of losses means setting off of losses against the income of the same year. Set off of losses can be done within the same head with some exceptions. Set off of losses can be done against other heads of income with some exceptions. So these are the references.